I can see it in your eyes that you are restless. The time has come for you to leave. It's so hard to let you go, but in this life I know you have to be who you were made to be. As you step out on the road, I'll say a prayer, so that in my heart you always will be there. This is not goodbye. I know we'll meet again, so let your life begin, 'cause this is not goodbye. It's just I love you to take with you until you're home again. Gonna have some good times with good friends, making good memories. A little bit of sunshine and good vibes, yeah, that's all we need. And we ain't gonna worry, ain't in a hurry, everything is going our way. We're gonna have some good times with good friends, making good memories. Everybody's moving to the song on the radio. A little Stevie Wonder never hurt nobody's soul. Something about lawn chairs out in the warm air feels like a sacred place. 'Cause when we all get together, every day is a holiday. We're gonna have some good times with good friends, making good memories. A little bit of sunshine and good vibes, yeah, that's all we need. And we ain't gonna worry, ain't in a hurry, everything is going our way. We're gonna have some good times with good friends, making good memories. It doesn't matter if it's been a year or been a week, we can always pick right up and
Hi, Vic.
never miss a beat.
Congratulations on the new job, on your transfer, and alam kong sobrang committed ka sa work and sa family mo. So, I wish you all the best and take care always, brother. And God bless.
Congratulations mula sa gandilang class natin, si PMDP DAP. Binabati ka namin sa iyong successful na stint dyan sa DOH Treatment and Rehab Center. Alam mo, naalala ko nung sa transformational leadership class natin, talagang sinuggest mo na ang gawin nating paper ay yung mga ginagawa niyong mission sa mga Filipino patients. Kung paano niyo sila inaalagaan at tinutulungan yung pamilya nila. So dahil doon, sa suggestion mo, nakilala talaga namin yung opisina mo at yung mga mabubuting ginagawa niyo sa mga Filipino patients. So congrats, Vic, sa iyong successful na stint sa DOH at congratulations din sa panibago mong career path, no? Saan ka man pupunta, naniniwala ako na mas gagalingan mo pa at marami ka pang makakontribute. Good luck, kapatid. See you soon.
Hello, Vic. Hi. Ay, congratulations. Lilipat ka na pala ng PCSO. Grabe, iwanan mo na ako sa DOH, no? Na sige, good luck sa'yo. Happy ako para sa'yo. Sana magiging mas mag-advance yung career mo at magiging masaya ka dyan sa lilipatan mo sa PCSO. See you around pa rin kahit hindi na tayo pareho ng agency. Bye-bye!
Aloha to everyone! Greetings from Hawaii! Gusto ko kayong batiin na Happy New Year at saka for all of us to have a prosperous New Year. Para naman kay Engineer Vic, I'm so glad of your new achievement. I know you can do more, so there's no doubt about it. And I'm sure there will be more opportunities ahead of you, Engineer Vic. Keep it up. And also, siguro mapapatayan ako nito sa loto dahil ikaw na ang GM dyan. So, malay ba natin, baka manalo tayo. So, again, congratulations and regards to everyone. See you soon. Bye.
Congratulations, Tita JJ, on your new job. You'll do amazing at it.
Congratulations, Tita JJ. We know that you will be so great at this job.
That's right. Well, congratulations. We are so proud of you. We know you'll do really well and we wish you all the best in your new role. Don't forget to have fun.
Yeah, don't forget to have fun.
We love you.
Love you.
Hello, Toy. Congratulations. Binabati kita sa panibagong yugto ng iyong paghahanap buhay. Maraming salamat una sa lahat sa Panginoon dahil minsan pa natupad ang isa mong pangarap. At alam ko ito ay natupad. Una, higit sa lahat sa Panginoon. At ganun din sa iyong pagtitiyaga, pagsusumikap. At lubos ako nagpapasalamat sa ating Panginoon dahil lahat ng iyong pinapangarap ay unti-unti mong nararating. Alam ko marami ka pang itiin sa buhay. At yun ay matutupad mo lang kung hihingi ka ng tulong sa ating Panginoon. Mahal na mahal kita, anak. At alam ko na deserve mo yan dahil napakabuti mong anak, napakabuti mong kapatid, at mabuting asawa, mabuting ama sa iyong mga anak. At sayang nga lang, hindi na naabutan ni ama ang naabot mong ito. Ay, bawal umiyak. Basta, mahal na mahal kita. Congratulations.
Hi, Daddy. Congratulations on your new job. We're very proud of you and thank you for doing your best and for putting so much effort para ma-provide mo kami ng comfortable life and also for ensuring our kids' future. Na-appreciate namin everything that you do for our family. And we pray that the Lord will guide you na mag-fulfill all your dreams and may He keep you safe and healthy always. And andito lang kami to support you and to celebrate more wins with you. We love you, congratulations, and good luck.
Congratulations, Daddy.
Congratulations, Daddy. We love you.
Congratulations, Engineer Vic. I wish you all the best sa bago mong trabaho as branch manager ng PCSO. Ang gusto ko lang sabihin talaga your leadership guided us sa napakaraming challenges dito sa opisina. Again, congratulations.
Good luck po, Engineer Vic.
Ingat po, Engineer Vic.
Engineer Vic, congratulations on your new journey.
It has been a pleasure working with you.
Wishing you all the best in your next chapter.
We are so proud of you, Engineer! Good luck! Engineer Vic, congratulations sa good luck sa new journey. Tataya na kami sa loto. Baka naman!
Engineer, na-promote ka pala. Baka naman.
Congratulations from KSS family!
Congratulations, Engineer Vic, and thank you.
Good luck, Engineer, and good luck. Good luck, Engineer Vic, and God bless you.
Game! 1, 2, 3. Engineer Vic, Engineer Vic, Engineer Vic.
Guys, alam niyo ba, si Engineer Vic, isa sa pinaka-antipatikong tao dito sa center yan.
Engineer Vic, Engineer Vic, Engineer Vic.
Alam niyo guys, kung alam niyo masipag si Engineer, hindi tampay sa idamin yan.
Engineer Vic, Engineer Vic, Engineer Vic.
Engineer, konting practice na lang ng shooting skills mo, pwede ka na.
Engineer Vic, Engineer Vic, Engineer Vic.
Engineer, ipamaran mo na sa akin yung parking area natin.
Engineer Vic, Engineer Vic, Engineer Vic.
Engineer Vic, bully yan. Grabe kaya makatawa yan.
Engineer Vic, Engineer Vic, Engineer Vic.
Di naman kagalingan kumanta.
Engineer Vic, Engineer Vic,
Engineer Vic. Engineer, magkakaharap pa ulit tayo nila CJ sa table tennis. Galingan mo ng susunod, ha? Congratulations, Engineer.
Pero sa kabila ng lahat ng ito, mahal na mahal ka namin, Engineer Vic. We love you, Engineer Vic! Congratulations!
Engineer Vic! Thank you po sa pag-guide niyo sa amin at God bless po sa inyong new assignment.
Congratulations!
Congratulations po, Engineer. Engineer, thank you sa lahat ng naituro mo sa amin. Good luck po
Good luck po sa bago niyong assignment
sa PCSO. At alam ko po na magiging asset ka nila tulad ng pagiging leader mo dito sa amin sa PRC. Thank you po sa lahat ng naituro mo sa amin. At sigurado mamimiss ka namin, Engineer. Ingat po lagi.
Ingat po, mamimiss po namin kayo.
Okay po.
Engineer, congratulations po for a well-deserved promotion. Salamat po sa lahat ng suporta at tiwala na binibigay niyo sa akin at sa budget section. I know, umpisa pa lang po ito ng karir mo sa PCSO. Malayo pa po ang mararating niyo. Good luck at ingat po kayo palagi.
Hi, Engineer. Unang-una po, thank you po sa tiwalang binigay niyo sa akin during your stay here sa PRC. Thank you po for being a good boss. And ayun, thank you po. Mamimiss namin kayo. Congratulations.
Farewell, Engineer Vic, and may this new journey bring you joy and fulfillment you seek in your new career. Stay amazing!
Congratulations, Engineer Vic!
Bye!
Congratulations, Engineer Vic! Thank you po. Good luck!